Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your subscription to a yearly subscription on Loom. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've been using Loom for a year and you want to go ahead and change it to a yearly subscription so that you could actually save some money. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's log on to Loom. Then on the upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon, then click on billing. Now, once you click on billing, you could actually go ahead and click on upgrade if you aren't on the annual subscription just yet. So with the annual subscription, you will save about 17% per month. That right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and upgrade to an annual subscription on Loom. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.